Hello, dear children. How are you all? Hopefully, you all are happy, healthy, and excited for today's story. So, without delay, let's begin. In a lively town filled with dreams and determination, there stood a well known self defense academy. It was not just a place to learn physical strength, but also a place where discipline, respect, and character were shaped. Among the many students, two friends stood out, Arav and Kabir. They had joined the academy on the same day, nervous yet excited. From the very beginning, both showed remarkable dedication. They practiced tirelessly, often staying back after class, repeating moves until their bodies ached, but their spirits stayed strong. Ara was naturally talented. His moves were sharp, his focus unwavering, and his learning quick. But what truly made him special was his heart. He was kind, compassionate, and always ready to help. Kabir, on the other hand, was equally hardworking, but struggled a little more to perfect his techniques. Arav often stepped in to guide him. Your stance is slightly off, Arav would say gently. Try shifting your weight here. Yes, like that. At first, Kabir appreciated the help, but slowly something began to change inside him. Every time Arav corrected him, even with the purest intention, Kabir felt a sting. Why does he always point out my mistakes? He thought. Does he think I'm not good enough? Days turned into weeks and weeks into months. The academy buzzed with excitement as the annual championship approached, a grand event where the best students would be compete. This was the moment everyone had been waiting for. Both Arav and Kabir were selected. The training intensified, sweat and determinations filled every corner of the academy. But along with it, something darker began to grow in Kabir's heart, jealousy. Whenever the teacher praised Arav, saying excellent precision, perfect execution, Kabir's fist would clench tighter. Why always him? He wondered. I worked just as hard. Arav, unaware of storm brewing within his friend, continued to encourage him. Let us practice together. Arav would say, we can both improve. Kabir would nod, but his heart was no longer at peace. The big day arrived. The arena was filled with cheers, excitements, and anticipations. Students, families, and trainers gathered to witness the grand event. Round after round, both Arav and Kabir fought brilliantly. Arav moved with grace and precision. Kabir fought with power and determination. Finally, fate brought them face to face in the final match. The entire arena fell silent. Two friends, one ring, one winner. The match began. Kabir attacked with intensity. His movements fueled not just by skill, but by the emotions he had been carrying for weeks. Arav, calm and composed, defended skillfully. He noticed Kabir's aggression, but chose not to react harshly. Move after move, strike after strike, the match was intense. In the final moment, Arav executed a flawless technique and secured the win. The whistle blew. Winner Arav. The crowd erupted in applause. But Kabir stood still, his head lowered, his chest heavy, his heart filled with defeat, not just of the match, but of something deeper. Jealousy, comparison, and hurt had consumed him. He couldn't even look at Arav. As Arav stood in the center, everyone expected him to celebrate his victory. But what he did next left everyone speechless. Instead of raising his hands in pride, Arav walked straight towards Kabir. Before Kabir could react, Arav gently lifted him onto his back, and then he started running around the ring, laughing, smiling, celebrating. The crowd paused, then burst into louder applause. Kabir was stunned. What are you doing? He asked, confused. Arav replied with a cheerful voice, we both made it here. This is our victory. In that single moment, something shattered inside Kabir. Not his pride, but his ego. Tears welled up in his eyes. All the jealousy, all the bitterness, all the misunderstandings, they melted away instantly. He realized the truth. Arav had never tried to make him feel small. He had only tried to lift him higher. Kabir held on to Arav tightly, not as a competitor, but as a true friend. That day, Arav won the championship, but Kabir won something far greater. He won over his own darkness. He defeated jealousy. He embraced humility. And most importantly, he discovered the beauty of true friendship. As they stepped out of the ring together, side by side, it was clear to everyone. The real victory was not in defeating someone, but in winning hearts. And this is all about our today's story. What we learn, every story is having some lessons. What is the moral of the story? Moral of the story is true victory is not about defeating others, but about overcoming the negativity within ourselves. A true friend doesn't compete with you. They lift you even when they are ahead. When kindness meets jealousy, kindness always wins. So this is all we learn from today's story. Hopefully you all must have enjoyed today's story. Please do share this story with your friends, relatives, neighbors, cousins, school friends, everyone. Do subscribe to our channel. We'll meet tomorrow with a new story. Till then, take care. Bye-bye. Lots of blessings.